I want to debunk a myth once and for all today, and that is why you actually don't need a high income job to be wealthy, to be a millionaire. Now, I want to share a framework with you to start off with. If you have watched my other videos, this would be a reminder, but today I'm going to go a little bit deeper and give you some finer distinction. And there's a concept of wealth triangle, which I go quite in depth in my book, Unlock It. You see, there are three parts to the wealth triangle. First, you have what I call high income skills. And I define high income skills as skills that could make you $10,000 or more per month. Basically 6-figure a year. Not a job, but a skill set you can offer to the marketplace in exchange of money. The second part of the wealth triangle is scalable business. Not just any business, but a business that you could scale and grow, right? And then the last part is what I call high return investments. And I define high return investments as investments that could generate a 10% return for you year in and year out. Now, that could be cash flow, that could be capital gain. We're not going to go into that today. It goes beyond than what we want to talk about today. But for now, that's the wealth triangle. So why don't you need a high income job to be a millionaire? Here's a fact. Ask yourself and think about it. Comment below. Most people who have high income jobs, they are not millionaires. Most millionaires don't have high income jobs. Why? Now, you may be also thinking, well, they must have businesses. In some cases, they do. Now, but I do also know a lot of millionaires who don't have businesses. That's correct. They do not have a business. They are not the CEO of a company. They are not a business owner. In fact, most business owners don't make a lot of money. If you are skeptical, if you are not sure, just go to visit your local small business center. Go talk to some small business owners and ask how many of you guys are millionaires. Most are not. In fact, most business owners actually make less than minimum wage, right? They make less than what most people make who have regular jobs because they may be in debt, right? If they're lucky, till the end of the career, maybe they sell the business for a large sum of money and now finally they could retire, but usually that happens by accident, not by intention. So think about this. I want you to think about there are two things you need to know, and there are two things that you need to master. First, you must have a way, that's your business, a way for you to make money. And the best way, I believe, for anybody to earn more money is not actually through a business, but through a skill set. Because that doesn't require a lot of capital. A business requires capital to start, to grow, to scale, to expand. Does that make sense? So earning money through a skill set, a way for you to make money. Then all the millionaires that I know, every single wealthy person that I personally know, they have one thing in common, and that is they are investors. They invest in something. They are all investors. They all have a way for money to work for them. So there are two things you have to understand if you ever want to become wealthy, to be a millionaire. You need to have a way for you to make money. And then you need to have a way for your money to make you money. You have two areas, kind of like two business that you must master. Now, sometimes you have a scalable business. You have people and systems and structure that makes you money, but that is not a requirement. What is required is you have a way for you to make yourself money, that you could increase that income with no income ceiling. And then at the same time, you take your income, your earnings, you put into this business and your investing business that have money working for you. It is not sexy, but it is proven. It is not complicated. It is that simple. You don't need to chase a lot of shiny object syndrome. You don't need to chase what are the latest investment fads and any of that stuff. No. Find ways that you could earn more money, to be more valuable in the marketplace, that people would pay you more for your skill sets, and then take their money and invest wisely. Don't try to get crazy returns. That's not what it's about. Getting consistent, predictable return over a long period of time, if you have discipline and you don't take your earning, you invest your returns back into that little business that you have, that investing business that you have, you will become wealthy. for the first time ever because of popular demand, because you ask for it. I'm going to conduct a special intimate workshop on how to invest like the rich. It's called Secrets of the Rich. It's going to be a special 2-day event with me and my advisors, sharing with you exactly what we do, how we do it. How do you become a professional investor? How do you get started if you don't have a lot of capital? What could you do? How can you start positioning yourself, put yourself in a position for financial security, for financial abundance for your family? Unlike my other bigger events, this is going to be a very small, intimate setting. And this is the first time we're doing it. I have no plans of doing an event like this again. So if you want to see me in person, and also I'm going to give you a copy of my new book, an autographed copy of a new book, unlock it when you get your ticket as well. So get your seat today, click the link below, and I'll see you in Vegas.